to today's edition of Experiments. This is kind of a hodgepodge of freeze-dried items in this batch. Now, basically, I just had a bunch of food I didn't want to go bad, and I'm like, let's freeze dry it. Why not? So some of this is experiments, and some of it I've done before. But let me show you what we got. This first tray, if you saw some of my other videos, you'll see we had a birthday party for my daughter last Saturday. So we had all sorts of tea party foods left over. So I just wanted to try a sample for fun to see how these freeze dry. So we've got magic cookie bars, spinach artichoke puffs, sugar cookies with these are the swig cookies. It has a sour cream frosting. Oh, they're so good. And then lemon bars and brownies. Now, chocolate normally doesn't freeze dry, but I'm curious how brownies will do. I'm kind of thinking the chocolate chips in the magic cookie bars will do like chocolate always does. So, and then these are a few leaves of Swiss chard that a friend of mine gave me last night, and she just wanted to see how they would freeze dry. So I was like, sure, I'll throw them on next time I do something. So that's the first tray. This next tray, oh, so good. I love it. Fresh tomatoes out of our garden. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. I love it. And if you need some convincing on growing fresh garden tomatoes, check out my video the last time I did these, I had a few more tomatoes I needed to fill on the tray. So I had been slicing all these fresh garden ones, and then I'm like, okay, well, I have a few from the store. I'll just slice these to finish filling the tray. Huge difference. And there's a video on that on my channel. So go find that video. Really informative. Yeah. So if that video doesn't convince you to grow your own tomatoes, strawberries too. Grow everything you can. There's just such a quality difference. I wish we had a bigger garden. So this one is half tomatoes and then I just had avocados. You can see some of them are kind of a little brown and stuff. Our store had avocados on sale for like 50 cents about a week ago. So I bought 6 or 8 of them and we just hadn't used them. So today I thought, you know what? I'm gonna freeze dry them before they go bad. Then this one, Brussels sprouts. Yay! I love Brussels sprouts. These were in my fridge. We had a big bag from Costco. Plus, I had been to Smith's a week or two ago and they had a bag on clearance for like $1.99. And so I did both those bags. I think one of them we had used a few out of it, so that's pretty much the 2 bags. This one is an experimental tray. So here we have dill pickle chips. They're just like sandwiched, sliced. I think they're Vlasic brand. Then we have pepperoni. And this is leftover from my daughter's party. It's egg salad sandwich mix. So it's just the hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, and mustard. I'm curious how this does because mayonnaise I don't think really freeze dries, but we'll see. We're gonna try it out. I thought that'd be kind of cool to have and add. I've heard pepperoni is really good. People say the pepperoni is like addictive. So, and I'm curious on the pickles. I'm a little curious because we have found a lot of times the flavor intensifies when you freeze dry it, when you eat it dry. It's really intense. So I'm gonna go here. None of this is frozen. So we're gonna hit not frozen. I've closed the drain valve and we're good to go. So the last time I did the squash and zucchini and tomatoes, it was super fast. I wanna say it was only like 10 or 14 hours. It was pretty fast. I was really surprised. I haven't had a quick load like that for a while, but it's starting to get fall, so things are cooling down, and we have, of course, the AC going, so we'll see. I do have some saucy things there and some dense things, so we'll see how it does. Okay. All right, we just pulled this experimental batch, mostly experimental batch, out of the freeze dryer. So actually, let me have you do the tomatoes first because we've already done tomatoes, but we haven't recorded a video, so I'll put this in both. So freeze-dried tomatoes. What do you think? They're kind of like a chip.
They're actually sweet.
Is it? Let me try just a little bit. I don't want a whole one. Oh. Yeah, it is.
Wow, that's like, yeah, super sweet. Pulled the sugars out of it.
It really did.
They're good.
Not bad. Oh, sad. You almost don't get a whole lot of tomato, huh? Because it's so sweet.
You almost get ketchup.
Yeah. Interesting. Freeze-dried tomato slices. Interesting. Who would have thought? Huh.
Who'da dunk?
Who'da dunk? All right. So let's do
avocado.
We've done these before. We did the guacamole too. Right? Good stuff, huh?
You really get the nutty flavor out of them.
Yeah. It's early this morning, so I'm not really in the mood for this stuff. But okay, so look at these pepperoni.
They're kind of an odd aftertaste on them, though.
Really?
It's like tart, tangy.
These avocados,
bitter, almost bitter.
These avocados were like nearing the end of their life. That's
oh yeah.
Because the other ones that last time we did avocados, they were like bright green. They didn't have any brown on them. Yeah.
Granted,
so
this is the worst one, but yeah, so that's kind of an over.
I probably shouldn't even put that on the tray.
Probably not.
But like
versus your nice green.
Yeah.
Avocado.
Yeah, like that's a good one there.
Okay.
Okay. Pepperoni. People say those are addicting.
Oh, hey.
Really? Oh.
Because, yeah, see, they're like chips.
Oh my gosh, those are way good.
Okay, I could totally see the addictiveness to those now.
Yeah.
The grease, wiped out.
Yeah.
And that's my particular bent on pepperoni, is I don't like the greasiness and I don't like the chewiness.
Got a little spice in the back of my throat.
Oh, yeah.
At the end.
Whew. I don't know who says they're addictive.
Those are good.
No,
not necessarily first thing in the morning. I'm not looking forward to pickles in the morning. But look at this pickle. It kind of looks like it got cooked. But it smells like a pickle. Oh, maybe it was close to the pepperoni. Take one of the back
Take one away
ones.
from the pepperoni. So, pickle chip.
Good? So I was kind of curious how I didn't know.
Oh, wow.
Did it get you at the end?
Oh, let it sit for a second. Hold on.
Do you need some water?
Not yet.
I was kind of nervous.
That's
I was kind of nervous on the vinegar, because a lot of things, when you freeze dry them, they get more potent with their flavor. So I was a little nervous that the vinegar would do that.
Not as bad as the jalapeno popper, but yeah, you get that vinegar punch at the end.
Down at the end. Yeah, I'm not going to try that. It's breakfast time, so. The egg salad, it's still, you okay?
Yeah, just a little.
Deep breath.
No, that makes it worse. Okay, good. Continue.
Okay, the egg salad, do you want to just get a spoon? And no? Okay, just use your finger. Yeah, it's pretty soft. But I can't tell if it's flaky soft or if it's... It's
like almost not done soft?
No, I think it is. Hold it up to the camera. Never mind. It's pretty, look how flaky. But the thing I was concerned about is there's mayonnaise in it. So I wasn't sure, because mayonnaise is so high fat.
Did you just poison me, woman?
No, it's not poisonous, but how'd it taste?
Like egg salad. It's actually really good.
It just probably wouldn't, it seems pretty dry.
Shelf
Did
life
it feel
probably
dry?
wouldn't.
Yeah, it wouldn't,
Stay there.
No. I think that's the key, is it just wouldn't last very long. It tastes like egg salad?
Maybe in the thicker parts. I don't know. You'll have to check it. It didn't feel like it was quite dry.
That's probably the mayonnaise. Hey, a Brussels sprout. You want a big one or a little one? Feel how light these are.
I'll go with a little one. Oh, wow.
Light.
That's
They're
awesome.
so light, huh?
That's almost even lighter than a cheese puff.
It's like a styrofoam ball. Like they're just so airy. Oh, it's crunchy. I heard it in your mouth. Interesting. Oh, if it wasn't breakfast time. I'm glad you got a good... Wow. I can smell Brussels sprout breath. Wow. You weren't even really breathing on me and I could smell it.
If you like cabbage, that's it for you.
Wow.
That's got the little mini cabbage flavor. Ooh.
Okay, so this...
I like Brussels sprouts, actually, that's pretty good.
I don't want to move it a whole lot. This is Swiss chard that my friend Renee gave us.
Never had Swiss chard, so I'm not sure what to expect.
But I think we just powder it and we'll put it in something because she just gave us a few leaves out of her garden.
Well, to be honest, after that Brussels sprout,
you're gonna have a hard time.
I'm not tasting it. Oh no, there it is. Kind of like a spinach flavor.
Yeah, that's what she said. Is it's like a spinach.
Hold on.
Clear the palate. These are spinach artichoke puffs. They're basically like spinach, artichoke hearts, cream cheese. There might be a little mayonnaise in there, but feel how light those are. Again, they're normally pretty heavy because they're wet, and these are like styrofoam balls. What do you think? Because I have a bunch more of those, I could freeze dry a bunch of them. This is leftover party food. So from Bella's party. You don't have to eat the whole thing.
The poor sugar cookie.
I know, but it's freeze dried, so think of the shelf life. He loves sugar cookies.
Surprised the frosting didn't like poof up with all the sugar content in it.
Yeah. Well, and it has sour cream in the frosting. Sounds pretty crunchy.
I don't know what to equate with it. I was going to say with the frosting on there, I'd say it's kind of like those little British cookies you get in the blue tin. Christmas cookies.
The butter
like
cookies.
The butter cookies, but it's not.
Or the shortbread cookies.
But yeah, it's shortbread and then you got the frosting, but it's kind of that sensation because you're biting it and you're crunching it instead of
It's crunchy, but then does it dissolve and get moist in your mouth? Those would be good because those are your favorites. Those would be good to freeze dry.
More or less, I swallow it before it dissolves.
I have a whole bunch of those to do too.
Yeah, those would work.
Okay. Oh, wait, that's the one we just did. Lemon bar. So this is my lemon bar. I'm curious to see if that gets more lemony. And you say I never feed you breakfast.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Look at this. Look at this plethora, this buffet of freeze-dried food for breakfast. I'm getting you
the cookie part is crunchy, tender, soft, flaky, whatever. Sorry.
No, I was just looking
But
at
the
the
lemon
layers.
part is like fruit leather.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's chewy?
But they're still very good.
Well, that means it's probably not fully freeze-dried then. It is still chewy. I'll have to...
You take a bite of one of these, lady.
There's two more, but it's breakfast time.
Yeah, and you're eating sweets. You want a Brussels sprout? Try a pickle, I dare ya.
Okay, I'll try a brownie. Okay, so we have brownies and magic cookie bars are the last two. You want to do, which one you want to do?
I'll do another pepperoni.
Okay, I'll do the brownie. So, okay, it's hard.
You just bit that
Try
one.
it. Oh, at the little corner. You have hard teeth. See, that's why I couldn't even bite into it.
No,
It was that
was your corner.
The little piece that broke off, it was okay, but I don't think I'm a fan of the brownie. And these are brownies that are frosted. They'd have to be, I think, small. Like if they were bite size, like
Maybe.
little bites, they'd probably be good, but they're kind of big. All right.
Kind of overloaded me on stuff, so.
Yeah. Magic cookie bar. So this is the graham crackers and butter, and then peanut butter chips, chocolate chips, coconut, sweetened condensed milk. That's pretty good. I got a big chunk of peanut butter in mine. So the chocolate chips won't freeze dry, but everything else will. So you'd have to, I mean, as long as it was kept airtight, just like chocolate chips, you can seal them in jars and they'll be fine. They won't turn white, but you can't freeze dry them because they do have an expiration date. Really, pepperoni? That is your favorite? We should do a whole.
I gotta get the sweetness out of my mouth.
Yeah, that's everything, right? Yep, we got it all.
I think so.
Okay.
Tomatoes, yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you much. Have a good day at work. Do you want me to pack you a little baggie to take to work?
No, I'm good. Thank you, though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I gotta go.
Okay.